Quadrilateral PQRS has vertices P negative 2, 3, Q 3, 8, R 4, 1, S negative 1, negative 4. Prove that PQRS is a rhombus. Prove that PQRS is not a square. Okay, so to prove whether PQRS is a rhombus or not, the only requirement is that for a quadrilateral to be a rhombus is that all four sides are congruent. That is not the only requirement. I mean, that is not the only way that we can prove quadrilaterals to be a rhombus, but I always find that to be the most straightforward way. So I'm going to approach it that way. So I know that PQ has a length of, let's see here, I'm going to use a different color to demonstrate this. So going from P to Q, I'm going to go up and over. I'm going to go up 5 and over 5. So I have 5 and 5. So that means PQ is going to be the square root of 5 squared plus 5 squared. And if you do this, this will be square root of 50. And we want to do something similar. I want to go from Q to R. We're going to go over 1 and down 7, right? So from Q to R, so that means we're going to take the square root of 1 squared plus 7 squared. Again, this is just Pythagorean theorem that I'm doing here, in case you're wondering. This is, again, going to be square root of 50. Similarly, we go down 5 and over 5. So again, our S to R is again going to be 5 squared plus 5 squared, and that's again square root of 50. And then PS is, again, we're going to go down 7 and over 1, right? So it's again square root of 1 squared plus 7 squared. So it's equal to square root of 50. So PQRS is a rhombus because PQ, RS, the QR, RS, PS. All right, the second half of this says prove that PQRS is not a square. So if one of the angles is not 90, then therefore this quadrilateral cannot be a square. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope of PQ. The slope of PQ is my rise is 5 and my run is 5. The slope is 1. The slope of our QR is I am going down by 7, so it's negative 7, and it's over 1. So that's going to be negative 7. So M of PQ is not the negative reciprocal of M of QR. So PQ is not perpendicular to QR. Angle PQR is not 90 degrees. PQRS is not a square as a result. So again, that is the answer to the second half of this problem. And this right here is the first half of the problem.